I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banasidas University, Lucknow. Today we are discussing about the managing small business, and everyone knows what is the small business. A small business is basically stabilized by the new entrepreneurs and entrepreneur is person who has stabilized a new unit with certain or restricted resources with a real value of idea generations. So while managing a small unit and entrepreneurial development, we should use certain process. In the process, if you have to look after whatever the process is to be there for managing a small business, we should take up the first step, that is discovery. I think everyone knows about what is the discovery. Discovery is the state in which the entrepreneur generates ideas, recognizes opportunities and studies the market. Because for managing a small business, you should concentrate on this. In this discovery, we have to look after two things. That is innovation, innovative approach we can say down, and the second thing is opportunity. If we have to look after this thing, definitely we will be standardize the market is to be for managing of that. Then in the discovery, if you have to look after, a lot of companies was there, a lot of business schools to be there who are using this type of values to be there. The second thing is concept development. Concept, this is the very crucial things. अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि मैं एक ऐसा पेन बनाना चाहता हूं जो पानी से चले, idea is very nice to be, but from concept to idea on the floor, this is very typical things. It is not necessary कि ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, but the concept should be developed according to my beliefs to be there. Maybe possible that is visible or maybe possible not visible is to be there. So develop a business plan, a detailed project report or detailed proposal discussion for the business ideas. In that you should include code of ethics, then mission statement was there. Why I am discussing here is a mission statement was there. Our medicine, if I am a manufacturing of a medicine and I think my medicine will be good reactive, what the thing is to be, unethically I will use some steroid in that. Then the medicine may be quick relief, but later on that will be adversely affected on our kidney and liver. So that is the not ethical values is to be there. So whatever the discovery up to the conceptual part of to be there, you have to very much cautious about that. You should always take up that thing that is to be the real business location is to be there. Then whatever the trademark, whatever the things you should be reported. Then resourcing. This is the stage in which entrepreneur acquires the financial, human and capital resources. Three things: financial, human and capital requirement is to be there. So in this you have to look after this stuff, because for managing a small business you have to take up this step in every location to be there. If you have to think of this plan accordingly, your business will be definitely run and you will not face any type of problem to be there. But for resourcing, then you have to come down actualization. In this stage, the entrepreneur operates the business and utilizes resources to achieve the goal and the objectives. That means we have to start our business, that is opening, and we have to day by day operations, starting that type of process to be there. So everything, whatever you have think, you have to get down whatever the business to be there. So this process may be possible for the initial stage of managing a small business from the grassroots things. When the business was running, the need was there, the fifth point, that is harvesting. Harvesting is the stage in which the entrepreneur decides on venture's future growth, development, and demise. How we have to diversification is to be there. So whenever we will go through that, we have to look after how the process is to be generated, how the thing is to be cleared out. Otherwise, what happens to be there, if you are not look after this type of activities is to be there, you cannot be survive. So these are the 5 fundamental pillars in managing of a small business. Otherwise, you have to look after, if you have to destroy anything is to be there, you will lose whatever the complete system is to be there. Because this is the main process to be there, entrepreneurship. So in the entrepreneurship development, in the managing entrepreneurship, you have to look after discovery, concept development, resourcing, then actualization and the harvesting is to be there. And whatever the managing in this process, because any step is to be needed. For any steps, you need certain things is to be there. Because if you have to look after this process, you have to look after certain concepts like financial management. In the financial management, you should have clear-cut idea from where you will obtain initial capital, then establish the system, then record keeping. This is to be analyzed. Then I'm just telling because the managing small business is to be there, because small business means a unit was there, you have not very much amount, and as a new entrepreneur you cannot take up the loan as much as possible is to be there. Maybe you have the capacities to be there, but for stabilizing of the new business, you have limited resources. In this limited resources, you have to settle yourself also, associated also, and production towards the family of the other members also. So this thing is to be financial profit also. Then you have to look after the marketing values is to be marketing, because if each and everything is to be fine, how things is to be thing. Because selection of initial product, stuffings, selection of initial market, selection of advertising, this you should be clearly understand. Otherwise, business cannot be survived. Because initially you should take that type of pain जिसका दर्द सिर्फ आपको होगा, दूसरों को नहीं होगा, बिकॉज आपने लोगों से हट के ये काम करना चाहा है. लोग, मैंने आपसे we have just started this topics to be there. I already told you, you are something different person. That's why you have taken the initiation part, you have discovered the part has to be there, in which you want to develop yourself and you have to do something for your society also. Same thing. अगर आज फ्रंट पे लड़ाई हो रही तो कई लोग कहने लगते हैं, अरे सर उन लोगों को बहुत पैसा मिलता है और उन लोगों लड़ना चाहिए, तो why not do so? आप भी खड़े हैं सामने, you should also go in the field to be there. आपको सिलेक्ट करके भेज देंगे, लेकिन हम जाएंगे नहीं, हम क्रिटिसाइज जरूर करेंगे फ्रंट पे. सेम थिंग हियर आल्सो. इफ वी लॉस आवर बिजनेस टू बी देयर, तो अदर विल बी क्रिटिसाइज अस. लो, कहा था इसे नौकरी कर लो, बट इसने अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया, देखो फ्लॉप हो गया. दिस थिंग आर टोटली. So whenever any managing of the small business, you should look after complete step in that scenario by which the failure word should not enter in your life cycle of the product. So this is then the third thing is product and service development. Product and service development. Whenever you have to start with the market is to be there, because establishment of a system or collecting feedbacks from others, you have to develop the product and then you have to stabilize the marketing is to be there. Because each and everything is very well formed to be there. Because when the resourcing was there, you will be ready to get down the product and services to be there. Then resource allocation, resource acquisition. Resource acquisition. So whatever the product you need, product and services on the basis of resourcing and actualization, You need this type of, because in this actualization you have to hire site selection and the construction part, then acquisition of machinery, furnishing, informations, contacts with the suppliers. This type of concept is to be there. For managing a small business, you have to look after this thing in a very effective way. Staff, like, because this is to be run down on a daily basis, or if you just diversified, you just deviated from this track is to be there, आपकी गाड़ी पटरी से उतर जाएगी. Then you cannot be survive re-establish to be there, because आपके पास इतना पैसा नहीं है कि re-stabilize आप अपने को कर सको. You have already taken the loans from the other institutions to be there. Maybe possible some higher school. Then it's not you. Your whole career, whole responsibility, whole vision, whole mission was there, in which you have to start. So you have to look after these things to be there. Then you have to develop the process development. Process development. In this process development, if you have to look after focus of production and the operational management to ensure efficacy, safety, and the clearly development of the concept is to be there. Otherwise, whatever the thing is to be, you cannot stop to close down the business to be there. बाहर लोग आपको नहीं चाहते हैं, because they don't need any competitors to be there. A lot of companies is to be there. So if you are a good innovator concept is to be there, you have the good discovery concept is to be there, you have the good opportunity was there, and you are follow whatever the missions and the values of the ethics is to be there, then your financial, marketing and product and services like that is to be there. But regarding that, you should also manage staffing. Because if the management of staffing is not be there, staffing maybe initially part of, you have a very less people is to be there. 2, 3, 4, 5% is to be there. Maybe possibly 2% in production side, 1% in marketing side, 1 is administration side. Maybe because you are all in one is to be there. Maybe all in one means 3, 4, 5% you have to establish that unit, and then after that things can be increased. So, but you have to take care of yourself also in the terms of health. In the terms of health means mental and physical both, or in the terms of that, if you are confident that you can do, definitely you can do this thing. A lot of motivations, a lot of things was there, definitely you will be. And then if anything in the due course of legal requirement was to be there, you should follow the legal requirement to be there, because otherwise for managing small businesses a lot of pressure was there. You may think of कि चलो अभी हम अपने घर से शुरू कर लेते हैं, later on हम बिजनेस को कहीं और शिफ्ट कर लेंगे. तो बट घर में शुरू करने से पहले क्या आपने लाइसेंस लिया, और whatever, if that is under the rural area, if that is the urban area, you have taken the competent authorities to take this type of permission is to be there. Because what the thing is to be, if you are starting any bakery product, like example, bakery product in your home is to be, then nearby around 300 meters, 400 meters around, one is already running down this type of business. He never interested that you should run this business. He will give the complaint to local authorities, local municipal corporations, or the police station. Again, they will come down, they will charge something, bribe from you to be there. Then every time, because I already told you, change is the fashion. Maybe authorities is to be changed, new authority will be come down, again the process will be come down. So whatever the legal formality, legal exclusive here, you should take care anonymously. Otherwise, in the system, you cannot process the things. And business also, you should know how you have to run your businesses to be there. The basic concept. Because in your business, maybe you are the whole sole responsible of that. That is known as a sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship, in which you are the whole sole person is to be there. And maybe you have invested the amount, or you are using your manpower, you are using your brain, you are using your techniques, you are using your skills, and other is to be financing some other. So that may be a partnership basis. Partnership. Then may be possible you have to start your lease or something. So maybe the concept can be come down by the values of the corporations. So in this you have to give in 10 persons like stakeholders, they will give down the money, or they told that you have just invest the amount and give me the profit whenever it's to be earned out, like a corporation like structure is to be there. But again, they have given you money on the basis of yours. Or if anyone give down the money, they have the power to get down the money back. So you should be rated how you have to invest the amount is to be there. And in this process, whatever, because generally in the entrepreneurship development, three things can be come down: proprietorship, partnership, or the corporation-like structure is to be there, in which some sleeping partner will be there and you are the active partners to be there. And then there's this in managing a small business, this thing is like a charting business, and this thing is like a advisory business to be there. In this, and in running of the business, there may be a certain internal problem can be come down and certain external problem be come down with this infrastructure basis. Whatever the internal, whatever the external is to be there. You have internal problems, may be possible, you have not adequate capital, cash flow, facilities, human resources, inventory control is not covered, organizational structure is not well formed, or accounting system is not up to the mark was there. And whatever the external may be possible, product issues can be come down in due course of. Then expansion, you need expansion, but you are not in the position to expand the product. Then competitors problems which were there, the locations regionals was there, then marketing knowledge was there, then customer concept was to be there. So whatever the reason, whatever the establishment is to be there, you have to think of. So in this system, in this visualization, in these values, whatever the actualization is to be there in managing of human business, small business was there, you need to discover each and every concept in that scenario by which your first point, innovation and opportunity should be stabilized. Then your resourcing of financing and human resources, it should be clearly established. Then actualization, you have to, because you are the entrepreneur, everything should be a grassroots level. No hyper things was there. So whatever each and every in the resource acquisitions, in the product development, in the product resources, in the legalization form is to be there, you have to look after each and everything in that manual by which others should act fit. And in this parenting concept, in the parenting product knowledge is to be there, you have to legalize the formation is to be there. So in this, if I am just summarizing the concept, if I am just summarizing the values is to be there, so as entrepreneurs involves the creation of business. For creativity, you need patience, and Rome cannot be built in a day. So the same concept you have to apply it. You have to develop each and everything in a very systematic forms, real value of actualizations and the harvesting. In the harvesting is to be needed whenever your system is to be stabilizing and establishing business is to be there. So it's my concept, it's my values was there. So managing business and managing small businesses, you should take care properly with real values of innovative approach, and at every step you have to look after your financial establishment, your marketing values, product acceptability and the services development, as well as whatever the other partners approach was to be there. Maybe if you are not run your business on individual basis like proprietorship, maybe some partners, so you should respect that concept also, and then for the future run you have to look after these things to be there. So this is the overall things which we can implement the managing business or small business management is to be.